Hello, welcome to Volcano Weekly, and today we have a number one scientist, Isaiah Graham the Science Man.
Hey! Today's topic is volcanoes. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of types of volcanoes and how volcanoes form. Our first type is a cone volcano. It looks kind of like this. Then there's the dome volcano. And last but not least is a volcano plateau. You see, a volcano plateau is like the island of Hawaii. It builds up from underground eruptions, just coming and going, that build up more and more. And then it reaches the surface, and it just keeps on building and building and building. What do I say? And that's how volcanoes are formed. And now we'll be talking about how they do. Okay, so here is the basic magma center. Then here are some of the magma veins. And then sometimes the volcano veins get clogged and it tries to erupt. Volcanoes are often caused by earthquakes or tsunamis. And sometimes even a volcano can change the weather. Okay, say this ball is the magma center, and these two markers are the walls of the volcano. So, as you can see, if it's fine right here, but if the magma gets too much pressure, it explodes. So, have you ever tried putting some Mentos in soda? See how it erupts. It's a great thing, but we're not going to show you that because we don't want us to get messy. Oh, and don't spray it at your friends. Volcanoes can destroy houses, trees, roads, forests. Volcanoes can build so much land, but also it can destroy innocent lives and houses. Lava is magma. Magma is pretty much molten rock, aka lava, but it's under the Earth's surface. But when the magma comes out to the Earth's surface, it is then called lava. Volcanoes can also make very beautiful stones like emerald and rubies and maybe even diamonds. Here is an example of a volcano. If a volcano is erupting near you, make sure you tell your parents and get out of the house! Volcanoes can also melt our friend Frosty the Snowman. Volcanoes are very dreadful and dangerous, so watch out. This is Isaiah Graham signing off. Oh wait, here's some previews.
Erupting volcanoes, number 2. Hopefully not happy near you.